40-member delegation of the Indus Water Treaty is now leaving from the hotel that they were staying in, and I'll request Gaurav to keep showing you the visuals that the members of the delegation, they are coming out. That includes a member from the Pakistan as well as the United States and the Russia. These members, they will be heading towards the Kishtwar. They include the neutral members also and the members from the Pakistan. This is important visit keeping in view the Indus Water Treaty that was reached upon by India and Pakistan in 1960, and since then we have seen that both the countries are abiding by the true spirit. However, Pakistan has raised some objections to this in 2022. Also, we have seen the Pakistani side raising the objection, and now the delegation of the Pakistan is in frame. Gaurav is showing you the visuals of the Pakistani delegation that has come here, and now they will be heading towards the Kishtwar district, wherein they will be reviewing the situation. They will be reviewing what has happened and what the objections of this delegation will be. Gaurav is showing you the visuals of the Pakistani delegation that is heading towards the Kishtwar and will be having thorough discussion. Sir, you will be having a visit. What you have to say, sir? So the Pakistani delegation is now leaving for the Kishtwar district, wherein they will be having a 4-day-long visit, and this is going to be very important visit of the Pakistani delegation, as they, along with the neutral delegates, they will be having a discussion on the scenario. With Gaurav Sahni, Gursimran Singh for Republic Media Network.